Crocheting 101, a complete beginner's course for absolute beginner crocheters, created by Aaron from ABR Creations. Hey there, it's Aaron from ABR Creations, and welcome to the revised edition of Crocheting 101, the absolute beginner-friendly course for crocheters just beginning crochet. The reason I am calling it the revised edition is because I have already created a Crocheting 101 course, but it didn't go so well. For example, my voice glitching in some parts of the video, the camera not recording at a specific part of the video, plus the quality of the video was bad. Anyway, let's move on. In this course, you are going to learn the basic and advanced stitches of crochet. There will be multiple chapters in this course, from the easy stitches to the advanced stitches, like the triple crochet. After you're done with the course, you can complete 4 projects at the end of this course, so that you are not only familiar with the stitches, but you can also make something for your first crochet collection. Not only are there videos, but also a printer-friendly ebook which I have designed. In the ebook, you can find instructions and images so that you can go at your own pace. If you want to crochet, you are going to be needing at least 2 to 3 colors of yarn and a suitable crochet hook. But for this course, you are just going to be needing 2 colors and a crochet hook that is suitable with that yarn. Crocheting is fun, and it's time you learn how to try it. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you're ready for chapter 1, click the link in the description below or the video which will pop up right here. Thanks so much and get creative.